In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a hard refresh in Google Chrome step by step so you can force a web page to load fresh content instead of relying on old cached files. This is super useful if a website looks broken, isn't updating correctly, or you're seeing outdated images, styles, or text. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to refresh. This could be a page that is showing old content, a broken page, or a website that just isn't updating the way it should. Make sure the page is fully loaded before you continue. Now, let's start with a normal refresh so you can see the difference. You can click the refresh icon near the address bar or simply press F5 on your keyboard. A normal refresh will reload the page, but in many cases, Chrome may still use cached files. That means some old elements can remain the same, even after the page reloads. If that didn't fix the issue, it's time to do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. This tells Chrome to ignore the cached version and pull fresh files directly from the server. In most cases, this is exactly what you need when a page won't update properly. You can also use Ctrl plus Shift plus R, which performs a hard refresh in most versions of Chrome as well. Both shortcuts are very helpful and they usually do the same thing. Force the browser to reload the page with new resources instead of stored ones. If you're working on a site and want to make sure you're seeing the latest changes, hard refreshing is one of the fastest fixes you can use. It's especially useful for developers, designers, creators, or anyone troubleshooting a web page that seems stuck. So to recap, open Chrome, load the web page, try a normal refresh with F5 or the refresh button, and if that doesn't work, use Ctrl plus F5 or Ctrl plus Shift plus R for a hard refresh. That's the quickest way to force Chrome to fetch the newest version of the page. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.